Yeah, man, it's raining again and again. And we are in Chumpon. And now I need to buy new pants because the old one just cracked, completely destroyed after the ride last night. It was insane, really insane. And now I'm going to Big C. Welcome to Big C Chumpon. And probably I will be eating inside because I feel too hungry and just don't want to look for another place. And you wanna know why I have come to Big C. I need new pants, and I gotta show you the problem. And it's getting bigger and bigger just with every time, with every new seat, every new crouch. I hope they've got food. I hope they've got clothing section in this Big C. It's supposed to be there. Otherwise, I gotta drive wearing these wet, dirty, smelly pants with huge ventilation system. Let's go. That's the problem. And yeah, it's raining again after 30 minutes. Luckily my bike is under the roof now. And luckily I got no pants. You see? That was the problem. Yeah, and these are the new. And only 399 baht, 400 baht, which is $13 US for nice, comfortable jeans, clean and wet. And it's raining, so yeah, I gotta get some food. Probably it will be put out of this court. No funny interactions, just food. But at least we've got the roof. สวัสดีครับ อันนี้ก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือใช่ไหมครับ
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวหมูน้ำตกก๋วยเตี๋ยวไก่
เอาก๋วยเตี๋ยวไข่ครับ
เตี๋ยวไก่เส้นอะไรครับ
เส้นเล็กได้ไหมครับ Food court, normal court.
ครับ
Mickey is very hungry. Wow.อันนี้สำหรับผมใช่ไหมครับ สักครู่นะครับขอบคุณครับ ส hungry. And I know I look so bad in the morning because I feel so tired last night. Yeah, after the rain, after this hike, driving in the rain, driving through the cloud, this mountainous road. Oh, I've seen 2 scorpions last night, last evening. I was driving in the complete darkness, yeah, without camera. Yeah, and I've seen 2 huge scorpions crossing the road. It was wow. Probably the first time I've seen scorpions in my life. I mean, like real live scorpions in the wild. I was horrified. So yeah, this is the food. The boat noodles. Probably not boat noodles, like noodles with chicken. Here they are, noodles with chicken and khao man kai. Have you noticed everyone is serving their own forks and spoons? That's the 2020. Tasty broth, tasty soup. I think this meal will help to remove my dark circles under eyes. At least I hope so. It's still raining, so I don't know where I'm going to. Just enjoying the food and then wait until the rain is over. Maybe stay in Big C until the evening. I hope not. A little bit cold, but real tasty. Super delicious, especially for this price. I mean, what else a man need? A bowl of noodles with chicken and a plate of rice with chicken and a soup. Maybe a couple glasses of coffee, couple cups. I think, yeah, I might try to find it a bit later. Very hot. Just check out this huge piece of chicken. Wow.
โดยขอให้คุณลูกค้าทุกท่านแสดงความรู้แทนชนะทุกร้านพร้อมเข้าและออกจากสถานีสีโดยทำการที่เราทำเป็นงานวิธีของคุณค่ะ
Yeah, it's still raining. I don't know, for like 2 hours maybe. I got no idea what to do. I've come to a hotel because it's still raining, so I got nothing to do. But I can get busy with my laundry. With my laundry and just take a rest, maybe edit the video, and finally go to bed early. Unless rain will be over and I will find some night market to explore. Anyway, room looks pretty nice with high ceilings, minimalistic style. Really, this is what I love. I'd love to have my room in Bangkok, the same style like this one. You see, the huge like working desk and table, and fridge and TV. Amazing. Can put all of your cosmetics here. And yeah, there's the toilet. I love this kind of Japanese style. Nothing else needed. And my chest. Yeah, it's super soft and even super soft pillow. So yeah, I will be sleeping very well. Nice. And this room costs 850 baht. A bit higher than usual, but it's worth it, really worth it. Especially while it's raining outside. Finally, it's not raining anymore, but it's too late to go anywhere. That's why I'm going to sleep, and we will continue exploration of Ranong city tomorrow morning. See you in a bit.